Today, I'm going to talk about prepositions of place. Hi, I'm Teacher Al, and you're watching English with Al. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button right now and start learning English. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to use prepositions of place to talk about where things are located. This is my desk. As you can see, I have a lot of things on my desk. A laptop computer, speakers, a lamp, a calendar, highlighters, and some other stationery. My laptop is between two speakers. There is a lamp next to one of the speakers, and there are two funny handmade African toys below the lamp. Below means under, but they're slightly different. We prefer below when something is not directly under another thing. There is a piece of paper under the laptop. We prefer under when things are touching. Here I have 23 colorful highlighters. There's a calendar behind the highlighters and there's a notebook in front of them. There's a stapler next to the notebook. I also have a little jar and there are little colored pencils inside the jar. There's a bookcase beside my desk. Beside means next to. There are some dictionaries and books, some boxes, and my collections in the bookcase. You can also see a football on top of the bookcase. Let's have a quick review on the prepositions that we learned today. In, on, under, next to, beside, in front of, behind, above, below, between. So that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!